this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve a deleted contact on your Android phone. So if you can't find them anymore or something like that, just go to the top right and let's go to settings. And we want to choose Google Services. So this is going to be linked to our Google account. We can see it right here on my Samsung phone. Choose it. Now we can go to our name on the top, go to Google account, and you can see my contacts in here already. But you're probably going to see this screen right here. I have to go back. You can see this screen. And we want to go down to people in contact. So you might have like manage something on here. But my phone has manage people in contact right here. And you can see my contacts. And you might have to sign in again. But then I can go to the three lines on the top left. There's an option for a trash can right here. So if you deleted someone, let's go to trash can. You can see I have all these people in my trash can. I can just retrieve them from here. And then they'll be back on my contacts list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.